Imagine waking up in a home that feels light, organized, and stress-free. Your mind feels calm, your to-do list is manageable, and you finally have the energy to focus on what really matters. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can declutter both your space and your mind in just 7 days. And trust me, by the end of this challenge, you'll feel like a brand new person. Let's get started. The power of decluttering in a week. Decluttering isn't just about cleaning up your home, it's about creating space in your life, both physically and mentally. Studies show that clutter can lead to stress, anxiety, and even reduced productivity. But what if you could tackle it all in just 7 days? This video will break down a simple, day-by-day plan that will help you clear your space and find peace of mind. It's easy, actionable, and most importantly, transformative. So, grab a notebook, and let's dive into the 7-day journey to a clutter-free life. Day 1. Start small. Tackle one drawer or surface. Day 1 is all about starting small. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you think about decluttering an entire home. So let's begin with just one drawer or surface. Steps to follow: empty the drawer or clear the surface entirely. Sort items into 3 categories: keep, donate, or toss. Only keep what is truly necessary or meaningful. Mindset shift. As you declutter this small space, remind yourself that every little win counts. By starting small, you build momentum and confidence to tackle bigger areas. Pro tip: use a timer and spend just 15 minutes to avoid burnout. Day 2. Declutter your wardrobe. Keep only what you love. Closets are one of the most cluttered areas in many homes. On day 2, we're going to focus on your wardrobe. Steps to follow: take everything out and lay it on your bed. Ask yourself, do I love this? Does it fit me? Have I worn it in the last year? Donate or sell items you no longer need. Letting go of clothes can feel hard, but remember, you're not just clearing your closet, you're clearing your mind of guilt and decision fatigue. Pro tip: create a capsule wardrobe to simplify your clothing choices. Day 3. Let go of paper clutter. Piles of paper can be a silent stressor. Today, we're going to tackle all those bills, receipts, and documents taking up space. Steps to follow: gather all paper clutter in one place. Shred or recycle anything you no longer need. Digitize important documents for easier storage. Imagine how freeing it will feel to never have to search through piles of paper again. Let this process be a step toward a more organized, stress-free life. Pro tip: use folders or a filing system to keep the remaining papers tidy. Day 4. Declutter your digital space. Your digital clutter is just as important as your physical clutter. A messy inbox or desktop can drain your mental energy without you even realizing it. Steps to follow: clear your email inbox. Unsubscribe from unnecessary newsletters and delete old emails. Organize your desktop and delete unused files. Set up folders for easy navigation. Think of this as hitting the reset button for your digital life. A clean digital space can improve focus and reduce stress. Pro tip: schedule regular maintenance to keep your digital space clutter-free. Day 5. Tidy up your kitchen. Simplify the heart of your home. The kitchen is where a lot of us spend time, and clutter here can feel especially overwhelming. Today, we'll focus on simplifying this space. Steps to follow: go through your pantry and toss expired items. Declutter your countertops. Only keep daily essentials out. Organize your cabinets, grouping similar items together. A clean, organized kitchen isn't just practical, it can inspire you to cook healthier meals and spend more quality time with loved ones. Pro tip: use clear containers for pantry staples to keep everything neat and visible. Day 6. Create a mindful living space. Today, we're focusing on the areas where you relax: your living room, bedroom, or any other cozy space. These are the spaces where clutter impacts your peace the most. Steps to follow: remove anything that doesn't belong in the space. Return items to their rightful places. Keep only a few decor pieces that bring you joy. Add calming elements, like a plant or a candle, to make the space feel inviting. This is where you recharge, so prioritize creating a space that feels calm, uncluttered, and truly yours. Pro tip: arrange furniture to maximize flow and minimize visual distractions. Day 7. Declutter your mind. reflect, and reset. Decluttering isn't just about your physical space. It's also about clearing mental clutter. Today, we'll focus on your thoughts, emotions, and priorities. Steps to follow: spend 10 minutes journaling about what's been weighing on your mind. Practice mindfulness through meditation or deep breathing. Create a simple to-do list for the week ahead, focusing only on what truly matters. Clearing mental clutter can help you feel more present, focused, and at peace. This final day is about aligning your mind with the clarity you've created in your space. Pro tip: use a gratitude journal to end the day on a positive note. Conclusion: the transformative power of a 7-day decluttering challenge. And there you have it, a complete 7-day plan to declutter your space and your mind. This challenge isn't just about getting rid of stuff, it's about making room for what truly matters. Whether it's a cleaner home, a clearer mind, or a sense of accomplishment, the benefits of decluttering are life-changing. So, are you ready to take on this challenge? Let me know in the comments which area you'll start with. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on minimalism, frugal living, and creating a life you love. Let's simplify and thrive together.